Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to do a kettlebell sumo squat. This will be an easy workout tutorial for beginners. So I said easy, but I actually meant to say it'll be a full tutorial for beginners. So if you're a beginner with your kettlebell, you're just starting to work out, this will be a full tutorial. I'm gonna go over the entire exercise from start to finish, give you a few quick tips as well, but it's also easy to do, so this is an easy tutorial as well. Let's get right into the video. Essentially, your kettlebell is gonna look like this. Most of the time, you're probably gonna hold it like this or like this, but for the sumo squat, you're actually gonna hold it like this. You wanna hold it upside down because you want the weight to be on the top because of the motion that you're doing, okay? If you go like this, you can do it like this, but the weight is hanging from your hands now, which might actually pull you forward, which will throw off your balance. So by going like this, you're gonna keep your balance because you're holding the bulk of the weight in your hand, okay? So essentially, you're gonna hold it like this. Just grab it like this, where you have one hand on either side, holding it very, very firmly. And some people will hold it far from their chest or towards you. I say you can move it to sort of balance yourself out. So as I'm squatting down, I can move it in or out. I have the freedom to do that to balance myself out. Now, for the sumo squat, you're gonna have a wide stance, okay? So quite wide. Your toes are gonna be pointing outward a little bit, which is gonna work a different part of your leg, of your quads, than sort of a regular squat. So you're gonna hold the weight as I've shown you like this. Like I said, relatively close to your chest. I probably have mine about maybe 6 inches from my chest. You can hold it a bit higher up or lower. This is kind of your freedom of choice. You're gonna squat down like this. As you squat down, the pressure's going outwards like this and back up. Squat down and back up. Now, there are different variations of the squat. There's a sumo squat, there's a regular squat, there's a goblet squat, and so forth. The sumo squat, like I said, the main differentiator is going to be that your knees, like your legs are, you have a wider stance, as you can see the way my legs are, and my toes are pointing outwards significantly. I probably have about a 40-degree angle outward, maybe less than 40, but it's definitely significant, okay? If this is 0, and this is 90, I probably have, probably about a 40-degree, give or take, something like that. I'd say around 40 degrees pointing outward. So you're gonna take your kettlebell, squat down, back up. You wanna make it a little bit harder on yourself? No problem. What you're gonna do, squat down, hold it for a few seconds, back up. You want to make it even harder? Squat down a little bit further, right? You want to see what you can do. And as you can see, as I'm squatting down, okay, let's get back into position. As I'm squatting down, I'm slightly moving this outward to help me with my balance, okay? In an ideal world, I wouldn't have to do that. But, you know, if in 5 years from now, hopefully I have enough balance to not have to do that at all. If I go like this, I can still do it, but it is a little bit harder to keep my balance. So I give myself the freedom of moving it so that I can easily keep my balance when doing the sumo squat. That's it. This is a great exercise for your quads, your calves, and your core muscles. And the greatest part about it is that it even works your shoulders, your delts, because you're holding this weight up, and if you move it slightly, you're getting an even better shoulder burn as well. So it's just a great movement. That's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.